We built this application to help you truly remember Chinese characters, not just recognize them. Flashcard mode uses spaced repetition. The harder a word is for you, the more often it comes back. Quiz mode puts your memory to the test with 3 challenge types: listening, reading, and stroke order. Story mode gives you full sentences to read so you can practice real, natural Chinese. Idiom and phrase mode teaches you the expressions locals actually use in everyday conversation. From any menu, the bottom bar takes you straight to card, quiz, or your user profile. On the card page, every word you'll ever learn is right here in one grid. Use the filters at the top to browse by HSK level, by learning state, by overdue words, or by your own saved lists. Tap any character for a quick preview, and when you're ready to actually study, tap the bee mascot to start a real learning session. Time to start learning. Every session starts with the bee mascot. Each card shows just the character. Your brain has to recall it first. Not sure? Tap to hear the pinyin or check the hint below. Once you know it, rate it forget, recall, or easy, and it's straight on to the next word. You can even edit the hint. Don't like the built-in hint? Delete it and write your own. A hint that means something to you, your own story or your own joke, sticks in memory far longer than someone else's words. Tap Show Details to see more. The detail screen gives you the full picture, meaning, part of speech, related common words, and a real example sentence. Tap any Chinese text to hear it spoken aloud. Rate the card from here or jump back to card front to rate and skip ahead. Every rating is saved instantly, with a quick undo if you tap the wrong button. For characters with more than one reading, like this one, you'll see every pronunciation side by side.
种子, 种地.
And if a character has lookalikes that are easy to confuse, you'll see them marked right here. Tap through to compare them directly.
种地, 种田, 种花. 我在花园里种花.
Confusing characters? Let's compare them. Pick any lookalike character to compare side by side. Spot the small differences in shape, sound, and meaning that set them apart. Now, let's build your own list. Tap the plus icon to create your own custom list. Call it anything you like midterm exam or travel words. Add a word to it right from card detail, then keep going. Rate the next card and add it to the same list too. Build it up one word at a time as you study, adding as many characters as you want. Create as many lists as you like, one for exam prep, one for travel, one for anything else you're focused on right now. When you're done for now, leave the session. Your progress and your list are both saved automatically. Head over to the card page, tap the Your List filter, and there it is. Every single word you added, collected in one place, ready to review whenever you want. Let's put it to the test.
In Pinyin Match, you'll see a character and pick its correct pronunciation from 4 choices. Get it right, and it turns green. Get it wrong, and it turns red, so you instantly know which ones need another look. Every word you've studied becomes fair game. There's no coasting on words you've forgotten. Answer enough of these correctly, and that word quietly drops out of your needs practice list.
品, 食品, 品质, 品牌.
Now flip it around. In Find Hanzi, you're given the meaning, and if you need it, you can tap to hear the
How?
pronunciation. Then you pick the correct character out of 4 choices. It's the reverse skill from Pinyin match. Instead of reading a character and recalling its sound,
口味，口
both
水，
directions matter for real fluency, which is why HanziBee tests you both ways. Answer correctly, and you'll see the full word revealed, along with its meaning and a couple of related common words for
Shipping.
extra context.
品质，品牌，木头，木材，木门，木，
And finally, writing. Stroke Master tests whether you can
How?
actually write the character 1 stroke at a time in the correct order. Draw each stroke inside the grid, get it right, and it fills in solid.
How?
Get it wrong, and you'll see a faint red guideline
Hanzi,
showing you the
口味，
correct stroke, so you
口
can learn
水，
from the mistake right away.
品，
Here's the key rule.
食品，
Every single stroke in the character has to be correct for the
品牌，
whole round to pass. 1 wrong stroke, and it counts as a miss, even if every other stroke was perfect. It's the strictest test in the app, and that's exactly the point. Real handwriting doesn't allow shortcuts, so
木头，
neither does this.
木材，木门，
Curious how you're doing? Head to the User tab to see your stat page. Learning Result shows you exactly which words are solid and which ones you keep forgetting, lesson by lesson. Quiz Result breaks down your pass rate for each of the 3 quiz types. Make it your own in Settings. Switch the whole app between English and Thai anytime. Turn on Pinyin tone colors to see each tone at a glance. Pick the look that suits you, light, dark, or the warm paper theme. Export your progress to a file as a backup and import it back anytime on this device or a new one. And under Manage Lists, you're always in control. Rename any list, delete one you don't need anymore, or remove a single word without losing the rest. Everything here is designed so the app fits how you actually study, not the other way around. One more thing, sign in. Sign in with your Google account, and your progress syncs safely to your own private Google Drive. No one else can see it, not even us. Switch phones, reinstall the app, or study on a tablet too. Everything picks up right where you left off.